Hello, welcome back to another video. Okay, so now I will show you the power of color ramps. So I found out that you can change the color of different textures to suit your projects more, um, to make your renders more interesting to look at. Maybe you have some colors that you want and then you can't find them on uh, different textures like Polyheaven. Maybe you're scrolling through Polyheaven and you're not finding the correct wood textures that you want or that you're after. You might need this exact texture, but it's the wrong color. So what do? Well, you, you download the texture as usual, as you usually do. Go to Blender and just paste it in here. But to make it your color that you want, you have to add a color ramp, and it's very easy. So now, with the help of a node wrangler, you can press this and then Control Shift plus T. And then um, you can just mark everyone here or everything here, and then click down here. Now it's perfect. We change the rotation by 90 degrees, and now we need color ramp. Color ramp. Paste it here. Now already we can see a difference. So if we want to change it to red, we can. We just put it like that. We can change this to constant, make it more visible. And we can make this black. I don't know. Let's try this. And already we can see a difference in the wood textures. And this is very, very powerful. If you have a house you want that is red, but you can only find this kind of texture, then this is very, very, very useful. So it's not more than this, and it's very simple. I hope you like this video. And if you want to see more of this content, please don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.